Yeah, man, I know. Nothing have to say it, you see me? I've been missing for quite some time. But guess what? Um, I gonna have quite a bit of vlog footage for you. If you don't want to know me, then now, then I parking lot of Mega Mart. Why am I in the parking lot? Because today is the first day of shooting. We're shooting a short film. That's the crew right there. A little bit later on, I'm gonna meet some hold on. Maybe I'm gonna meet some of the crew people. Them. That's what I pelt you know. I just forget what I said. Oh yeah, but that's it. Yeah, I'm gonna meet some of my crew and then what role me I play a police officer. Uh, it's not a lot, but it's a main character. Yeah, Starboy or something. And we're gonna shoot for 3 days. So today, first day, everybody has set up. You know what I mean? Get things ready, and then we're go bust it off in the streets. You see me? The short film name, I think a year day tomorrow, or tomorrow a year day. But it is quite interesting. I'm not gonna be playing no laughy role, because as soon as people hear say a comedian, you know what I mean, they usually just want to lock you into something. Not that me mind, but you know, I'm an actor, so I'd like to explore other areas of my acting skills, which means I'm trying to be serious sometimes, you know what I'm saying? I ain't trying to give all these jokes, bro. I want to be serious, bro. I want to be versatile, you know? I can't wait for the seat still, just by reading the script. I want to know. We're not gonna like it. I was gonna say we'll shoot for 3 days and then we should be have it edited and maybe within a month or two, maybe even less time. Maybe like a month. It'll probably come out. On YouTube. When it come out, I'm gonna make you know so you can go check it out. You know what I mean? I run up the views and the likes and stress out the director for part 2 and all them stuff. I'm the same person who I work with. I don't know if you know. Anyway. Yeah. Remember the short film motive when I did it? Yeah man, generally run it off same way, isn't it? Kevin again, same way. We have the big guns out.
Yo, Grim, call Beans first.
So I'll be a big machine lineup. Yo, for this whole time scene, the camera up on manual focus. So if me the out of focus, or because me an idiot. So for all the people that don't know Zine, at Chester me used to go. That over there so. 6th farm black, 4th farm, 5th farm then a little bit over. When we used to go at Chester, you see right off here so, be a tree, be a big old tree. But it has been a while. Then chop down all of them the tree there, you see me? Open up the school more, make it look more like a schoolyard. I don't know why they chop down the tree downstairs, but I guess they want to give off that look. You know, say a long time they foolish. Anytime peak they have PE, you know, say in the evening them fear do PE. Because if you do PE early morning, you're not going to musty for your rest of the day, man. And I don't really know if Chester having no shower. Well, even them probably have shower, but that for the student athletes. So I think you're supposed to do something there, so you see me? I do PE early morning and be a musty activities that go on with the rest of the day. My God, man. How wicked is that? We used to raid that June plum tree there. Some big tree used to the right, so you see me? Yeah. And you see that June plum tree, yeah? We used to raid it at evening time and after we done play ball.
We're up on the first location, you know. Obviously, you know, so you know, well, not really obviously, but you not really see none of the footage here until the um, after the film come out. So you might see some other things before. But yeah, after the film come out, then you're not gonna see all of this behind the scenes vlog footage that was captured. I be wild activities the people them go on with. Some people come and ask. I wanna do it. No, I understand so them thing they have to do still, but them not move extra wild, isn't it? Yeah, man. Man, them good? Use them on the turf. Alright, we're just done wrap up the scene women they're telling about and then something. We'll run down some more people. I think we'll go up on another scene, you know, another set. Somebody care watch. We'll mash down some I don't know if I see what I'm going to some wings with a tuna sandwich. Wings, tuna sandwich, and fish the debo, but we never get the fish. So I head to the car wash, you know, you see me? Benny driver, you don't know.
Oh, God.
Kevin in Bath. Yeah, Kevin him name too, you see me, sir? Kevin's a travel. And I young with that from the thing, you see me? Yeah, man. Me linking up back when time I reach down, so you see. I'm going to put in the work, right? So we still never set. Never film
Any screen protector, $500.
Don't know if I can see.
Any phone case, $500. Any phone case, $500.
Yo, me hate the machine that will repeat shit in it.
$500. Any screen protector, $500. All if you don't want it, buy it same way. Any phone case, $500. Right after. Phone shop, sale out. $500 get any phone case. Any screen protector, $500. Any phone case, $500. Any phone case, $500 get any phone case. Any screen protector, $500. Any screen protector, $500. All if you don't want it, buy it same way. Any phone case, $500. Right after.
Now listen to this for boy.
Phone shop,
Past half hour.
$500 get any phone case.
Go and go buy one
Any
phone
screen
case.
protector,
We don't need a
$500.
phone case. We don't see me in a detective look.
Any screen protector,
Detective Miles,
$500.
you see me?
Any screen protector, $500. All if you don't want it, buy
Big
it
camera
same
there,
way.
not there.
Any phone case, $500.
What kind of time?
Right
But we just
after.
get that out of the way.
Phone shop, sale
The
out.
camera there in the car. The car, but the person who have the car key.
Any screen protector,
I film there now, the
$500.
upset. So I can't bother go stress
Any
him out
phone
for
case,
that.
$500. Any phone case.
So when I get a chance to get the car key, you know, see me in a
Any
HD,
screen protector,
better than phone
$500.
quality.
All if you don't want it, buy it same way.
But what about
Any
race course
phone
where they
case,
know I film some scene?
$500. Right
So far,
after.
me do a
Phone
scene
shop, sale
that I
out.
run down people scene.
$500 get any phone case.
I run down pick the scene, you
Any
know.
screen protector,
And
$500. Any
no, no.
phone case, $500. Any phone case.
and then the talking scene.
$500 get any phone case. Any
So
screen protector,
maybe I suppose
$500.
tomorrow and Sunday
Any
me I go
screen
film them
protector,
there.
$500. All
I
if
go
you
and keep
want
it
to buy it
updated,
same
isn't
way.
it?
Any phone
Yeah,
case,
man.
$500. Right after.
Still there.
Phone shop, sale out. $500.
People stop
get
and
any
look.
phone case.
Yo,
Any
it
screen
is quite
protector,
interesting
$500.
to hear what people say
Any
after
phone
they pass the
case,
scene.
$500. Any phone case.
Some people are like, what am I doing this for?
$500 get any phone
Hey, me
case.
no want to
Any
put
screen protector,
the camera
$500.
in up.
Any screen protector,
All sort of certain
$500.
people I say.
All if you
How
don't
them
want to
people
buy
are
it
come
same
from?
way. Any phone case, $500. Right after.
Maybe we just
Phone
make
shop,
a tape
sale
out of that. We're gonna hear
$500
that
get
things.
any phone case.
So we reach on the location of. Is it?
Your day is your last day, I think. Wow.
Me the kind of promise on the sound I gonna get for meet everybody in the cast, but
In that cast.
in the whole group team. Where we are. Well, tell the people them what you do.
Me?
Yes.
What do I do?
he hold a big camera. See? So him one of them man they will hold big camera and them something.
Yeah. What's many of you say, Kevin?
I don't know if you do nothing else.
Me? I just hold the camera.
Yeah.
Hold the camera. Yeah.
But I try to tell you some on the different set, but as people they have to talk.
Yeah, yeah. A big actor, eh? Big actor. Looking at camera, brother. Yeah, my God.
She what you do today?
Hi. Well, today, hold on, let me get in character real quick. Well, you see what happened is today I'm supposed to be the area don. So you're supposed to be arresting me in short order.
So
Can
I see
you handle that, Kevin?
I grab her, fling her away, please.
Whoa!
Them something over here, so? I'm gonna drag her through this on them thing there.
That's a little extreme. But last night he was at Photo Views Launch.
Oh yes, yes.
And he did my Photo View series. You guys can check that out.
And you say it's coming out
Yours is coming out not next Thursday, the following Thursday.
following Thursday. So
Yeah.
I mean this probably not come out till after I film drop. So
Oh. What?
yeah.
Oh. I get it now.
You understand that?
Yeah.
Good.
But thanks for doing my photo view, Kevin. I really, really
It was my
appreciate
pleasure.
it.
Thank you for inviting me to be a part of such a very fresh and innovative idea. You know what I mean? It's different. It's really different, people. When it drop me, I can make them know and then to check it out. You know?
I'm really a fan of yours, though. I think you're really super awesome.
Yeah, that's what they all say. Huh? Who said that?
Can you just take a compliment, Kevin?
Thank you, I
Kevin,
appreciate that.
It's okay to respond to numbers you don't know. It's an
Yeah,
inside joke, people, but it's okay.
we're gonna cut that out. Yeah, we're just going around putting.
Oh
cameras
Jesus
in people's
Christ!
face.
You just need to stop that, right? I'll
that's
sue
what
you.
we're doing.
I'll just sue you
No,
right
I'm
now.
not suing
Get a
you.
needle and thread and sue you.
I'm not afraid
Right?
of that kind of suing.
Sue you. Stop.
Well, this is my partner in crime.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'd just like to say I have no idea what he's talking about. All right. Wait, let's do this.
I'm gonna allow you to get shot.
Listen, sir, can you remove your body from
Kevin, you're an actor today. That's a caramel.
because don't
Means put away the camera.
I try to get the evidence, isn't it?
Yeah, man, right up. Get it right
Before
up.
and
Right
after.
up. Yes, man, right. For real.
So the light shine but brighter, serve you longer as well. Understand? There you go on a good light. You know, proper light there.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're reporting live from the car wash backer or beside her Burger King, right in Mantheville. Here's a gentleman who is talking about it. Oxidization on car lights, and he has some products that will clean it. Now, at first, what we saw was the light being oxidized. That's how it go? Yes, oxidized, meaning it is opaque and you cannot see through it. So if you're driving in the night and you turn on your headlamp, you're not going to see nothing and you're going to crash and dead. Right? Good. Now, with his
Not cutting, headlight restoring acid.
with his what?
Headlight restoring acid.
Yes, that's
Not
what he
cutting,
said. Yes.
Chroma,
Right.
Abra polish.
Yes. Floor polish.
Abra.
Abra polish, right? He is now applying a particular method which the deoxidization can take place, and then his lights for this vehicle will become brand new. How long you say go last for?
So here.
Up to an air. Yes? Up to an air. Yes? And how much is it for?
3,000 for the both sides.
3,000 for the both of them?
Yes.
Right, but we don't see it clear enough.
No man, just give me a chance.
All right, give him a chance. We're giving him a chance. We're buying Lucky 5 and we are giving him a chance. That is what we are doing. He's now applying some other things.
Some polish now.
Some polish. Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, this is cutting edge
So,
Cutting.
Kevin,
Okay, all right.
I'm only say right now.
Cutting edge performance right about now. Cutting edge performance right about now. Ladies and gentlemen, look at this. Look at this right here. Look at. We're not finished yet. We're not finished as yet. We are not finished as yet. This is just awesome. This is mind-blowing awesomeness. Yeah, and I hear a hallelujah from over that side. Yes, I hear a hallelujah. That's right. What is your name, sir? Andre. His name is Andre. Andre, the deoxidizer. That is your name. Andre, the deoxidizer.
Welcome to walking around and shoving camera up in people's faces. What is your name, sir?
Chucky.
Chucky.
Yes.
Camera shoved up in your face. What do you feel?
Scared.
Yeah, welcome to walking around and shoving camera up in people's faces. What is your job?
Just here.
Welcome to walking around and shoving cameras in people's faces. What is your job?
My job, camera assist for Wentworth, Kelly.
How do you feel about the camera being shoved in your face?
I'm used to it by now. I don't know. I mean, we need that in
Okay, alright, thanks. Thanks, bro.
She is talking to herself, okay? She never had to talk to nobody. She's losing it.
Them just come and them say, alright. Them say, you know, this is pretty cool.
We have a new film coming out soon called Kevin Too Sophisticated.
Good brought it. Show the next Kevin. Show the next Kevin. Kevin 1. No, not me. And Kevin 2.
There's two Kevins.
Two Kevin. No. Kevin 1. Kevin 1. Show Kevin 1. You, that is you. Kevin 1.
I thought I was Kevin 2.
No. Kevin 1.
Oh my God.
Kevin. Guys, wake up your Kevin 1. No, not me. Kevin 1. And 2 Kevin.
What's up? Alright, guess what? Still day one, you know. Still day one. Every time I start talk to him, my head starts scratch me for some reason. Still day one is a night, a scene we are shooting now. So like the end. So for the people who don't know about shooting film, and all the time I go in a sequence. Sometimes I shoot back way. Pause. But you shoot mix up and then it put together in the right sequence. You see me? If you don't know them things, then I tell you. So we shoot the last part of the well, part of the last part. We have some other pieces to deal with. Boom blast. So what else my neighbor say? I'm kind of tired still. My foot them more rest. But after this, I home where I go and then early morning we're back at it. Shoot some more things. We'd have to improvise, or we're going to basically improvise for this scene. Because some things over this supposed to have, we don't really have it, so I gotta improvise and see how it come out. After the film come out, then we make them know all the like, they make something that they happen and everything. You see me like, which part of the film, you know, the behind the scenes reveal of which scene. So right now we're there at the bar scene. We're there one bar and we come to pick up the Dan now. So Dan plays this. We have a minor break in transmission. We'll soon return back to regular programming. when whatever I go on the turf around the south gets sorted out. The bartender is moving a bit abrasive. So I try smooth it out so we can get to do the last shot for the day. We can go and go bed, sleep and wake up tomorrow ready for the road. 9 o'clock to blows and skate. 9 o'clock. 9:05. I just realized see a Friday the 13th. Bad luck. I believe in all them foolishness just you see me? Yo, that look weird, don't you look like me have horns right there, so. I look evil. We'll just finish up the last scene for today. We're gonna do another take, I'm assuming. So let's see how that one goes. Here we go. We have people happy in the background, you know what I mean? We're gonna see how we go again. I wonder it was a one take, it was pretty good. I'm gonna make another run for it. Back at me, I turn up too long. Said no man ever. Welcome people, it's me, checking in again. All of breakout brother. See me I talk to the camera and not even press record, me an idiot. So me I telling you so we just done shoot. It's a wrap for tonight. Until tomorrow, the moon, you see that? The moon up here. So until tomorrow again, we're going with some more antics and then we'll meet some more crew members. But that is it for today. That is it for this vlog. Tomorrow, new day, new vlog. If you want to know what time, I think, hold on. So I don't see the time. Rest time I know, not true. Yeah man. Night dew on the car and them thing there. Yeah. Making movies is hard work, bro. But you gotta do the work, right? I want to go the nose off run, I have to stay up late and yeah, be tired. Look more.